Well, I thought I'd drive you around the lot and show you what we got going on here. Here's my truck. Boy, it's really dirty, but when it's washed, it looks really nice. So, alright, over here, we have the 3 green combines. They're going to get traded off. And that's the 1,500 bushel grain cart. We have another grain trailer here. And there's the Quad 600 and the Quad Track 480. And over here's this Quonset that has the air drills in it. There's one of the John Deere corn heads. There's the folding gearing off corn head. And over here's the bin sites. Semi's going to be hauling canola tomorrow. There's there's the world's largest auger tractor. And this is where I was transferring wet corn out of that bin through that auger up there to the wet holding bin, and then it comes out and goes through that conveyor over there, through that old case, and up into the dry holding bin to be hauled. It is cold out. There's a 90-foot harrow and a 60-foot harrow, an 80-foot field cultivator, and there's the big heavy disc, and the Salford, I think that's 60-foot wide too, and the Quad Track 550 that's traded. So the 480's traded, this one's traded, and the John Deere's traded, and we should have all new 600s here in just a little while. Those are all the bins for fertilizer. Or the pickup headers. We're not going to have those anymore because we're not going to do any more canola. So no more swathing. That stuff sucks to work with anyways. There. Planters in here. More bins. Another machine shed. That's airplane hangar. Just for junk. There's one of our service trucks. And there's the other.